This is my referral link. Okay, this link you will find into the description of this video. First, register your account. Okay, use this referral code 85384. Okay, or just click it. It will automatically open onto a browser and check this referral code. Okay, if there is not available this referral code, just enter. If you will register using this referral code or this referral link, you will get extra 45% team staking bonus. Okay, it's great benefit. After that, okay, understand profit calculations of staking project. Hi everyone, welcome each and every one of you. Today I am going to show you the very important topic, that is what Nominex Exchange staking program. Okay, many new investors are asking me again and again, okay, how to stake, and they are confusing the staking daily rewards, okay, and what they will receive daily rewards, monthly rewards. Okay, today I am going to show you that all calculation rewards per day, monthly, okay, according to your staked amount or investment amount. Okay, first I have already opened Nominex Exchange website. As you will see here, Nominex Exchange current price is 2.4. Okay, now simply how to calculate daily rewards and according to your staked amount. Okay, what is your daily profits or rewards? See how to do this. Okay, I am opening this document. As you will see here on this document, this area is your staking package plans amount, okay, or investment amount. For example, you want to start $25, $100, $247, $300, $500, $1000, and so on. Okay, here is two type of rewards you will receive daily. One is NMX reward from staking. NMX is a token, is to stake on this exchange, that's exchange token, that's called NMX. Okay, NMX older reward. Okay, and current NMX price is what, 2.4. Okay, now see how to calculate daily profits or rewards in US dollars or monthly profits. Okay, see, first I am showing you here NMX calculator. Okay, how to calculate your profits. This link you will find into the description of this video. You can open this link, okay, then type here your staked or invested amount, then you will see here your package plan name, okay, staking package plan name, and your daily profits. For example, if I am typing here $25, as you will see here, it will automatically calculate it 50% NMX, 50% USDT. Okay, and your per day profits. Okay, you can also increase and decrease your profits and see how much, okay, it's affected when days are increasing. If I am calculating on to the first day, okay, on $25 only you will receive reward from staking. You don't receive older reward. on $25 investment. Okay, that is what 0.02 NMX, and 0.02 NMX equal to 0.03 or 0.07 NMX you will receive according to this. Okay, as you will see here, $25 0.02, and older reward is 0. Okay, how to calculate this? First, okay, I am clicking here, then plus NMX older reward, then multiply by current price. Okay, you will receive 0.02 daily basis. Okay, in this way. Now I am showing you, for example, if you staked $100, see your daily profits. Okay, if you are typing here $100, okay, on to the 1 day, your older reward and your staking reward. Okay, if you plus or okay add both of them, older reward and staking reward, you will receive your daily profit 0.11, and 0.11 equal to 0.27. Okay, as you will see here, this 0.27 according to 100 and 1 day. If I am increasing this, okay, this, see what happened. Okay, this, as you will see here, your daily profits will increasing. Okay, the more days to stake, the more your profits increasing in this way. On to the first day, you will receive 0.27. But more days depend on multiple factors. Okay, multiple factors which annual percentage yield, okay, rate, and total liquidity pool, okay, and how much, okay, how many stakeholders staked onto your team or on your liquidity pool. Okay, there are multiple factors on days and daily profits, but you can alone receive on this amount 0.27. Okay, now I am just deleting this. Okay, see 0.09 NMX, 0.02 NMX. Okay, if I am dragging this formula here in this way, your daily profits. Okay, if I am seeing this 247, okay, if I am typing, for example, you are invested, okay, not to 247, see, as you will see here, package plan is also changed. plan name. Okay, if I am typing here, for example, $50, and your package plan name is what? Starter. And if I am typing here $100, your package plan name is what? Partner. Okay, staking package plan name. If I am typing here 300, your package plan name is what? Pro. In this way. Okay, staking package plan name. If I now I am typing here 247, according to stake 247. Okay, if I am calculating this 0.23, 0.05, 0.23, 0.05, as you will see here, your daily profits. In this way, if I am typing here, for example, 300, 0.28, 0.06, 0.28, 0.06. Okay, your daily profits. If I am typing here 500, okay, your daily profits. Okay, both will be, if you both will be adding, you will get this result. Daily profits 0.46, 0.09, 0.46, 0.09. Okay, if I am typing here 1000, okay, your package plan name is what? VIP, and reward 0.92, 0.18, and your daily profits 2.67, 0.92, 0.18, 0.92, 0.18. Okay, some differences here. Here is showing 2.67. Okay, if I am typing here, and here is showing 1.34. See, okay, there is difference. Why? Okay, see, okay, there here is showing some difference. Why? Okay, because I am checking this formula is not correct. Okay, first correct this. Just type here brackets, press enter, now select, control D. Okay, in this way, now it's showing correct answers. Okay, if you staked $1,000 and your daily profits 2.65, if you stake $500 and your daily profits 1.32. Okay, now exact, everything exactly showing. Okay, $500 you will get 1.3, and here is also same results you are showing. Okay, 1.3. if I am typing here $1,000, you will get daily profits 2.6. Okay, and here is also showing 2.6. Okay, same results. Now I am calculating monthly profits in US dollars. Okay, your monthly profits, just click here and multiply 31 days. Okay, here is no holiday because it's crypto NMX token. Okay, and will open 24 hours and 7 days, and you will get profits, daily rewards on 31 days of a month. Okay, you will get. Okay, if you stake $25, your monthly rewards 1.49. Okay, if you will if you stake, okay, this rewards only single person. If you develop your teams, obviously your rewards are increasing. Okay, this is only single staking rewards. If you will stake $100, your monthly rewards 8.29. If you stake 247, your rewards $20. If you stake $300 and your rewards 25, as so. If you stake $500 and your monthly rewards 41.06. If you stake $1,000 and your monthly rewards 82. In this way. Okay, many new investors are confusing and asking. Okay, so I am calculating it in detail in simple words. Okay, you easy to understand in this way. Okay, all rewards as you will see here. Nominex calculators according to calculate on this your daily profits, your monthly profits, as so on. Okay, because it's a staking smart contract project. Okay, you can withdraw and cash your staked amount anytime. Okay, you can finish your package, staked package plan is anytime because it's a staking program. Okay, you can withdraw your invested amount anytime. I hope you will understand everything about daily profits on NMX. Okay, staking package plans or projects in this way. Thanks.